Ready to truly escape? The Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless noise-canceling headphones are here to redefine your audio world. These aren't just headphones, they're your personal quiet zone, delivering industry-leading noise cancellation that virtually silences distractions anywhere. Imagine marathon listening sessions without a charging worry. Their incredible 30-hour battery life means your music or calls keep going as long as you do. For ultimate convenience, multipoint connection lets you seamlessly switch between two devices, like your laptop and phone, effortlessly. It's this blend of powerful sound, serene quiet, and smart connectivity that truly sets the WH-1000XM5s apart from other premium headphones. If you're serious about upgrading your listening, these are a game changer for anyone considering new noise-canceling headphones. The comfort and pristine audio quality make them an essential device for commuters, remote workers, and audiophiles alike. You can find the absolute best deal and full specifications for these amazing Sony headphones via the Amazon link in my description. Honestly, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are a top contender for the best electronics of 2025, offering unparalleled performance and value. Don't just listen, experience. Click the link to grab your pair and elevate your sound today.